Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials. And in today's video I'm going to be going over how to fix Doom the Dark Ages not launching, or it just keeps crashing. And this is obviously when the game comes out, which is going to be in May 15th. But anyways, well, what you want to do is you want to go over to Steam. You want to look for Doom the Dark Ages. You want to right click on it and you want to hit properties. From here you can make your way over to installed files. Then you want to go over to verify this game's files are installed correctly, and go ahead and select verify integrity of game files. Now, once you're done with that, what you want to do is go ahead and X out of that. You can go ahead and X out of Steam, and you can launch the game now to see if it works. Now, the second method you guys can try doing is going over to search bar, typing in device manager, and then going ahead and going over to display adapters. Now, from here, you want to right click on your GPU, hit update driver, and then go ahead and choose search automatically for drivers. Now, this basically updates your driver, and once that's done, or another method of updating your drivers, if you don't want to do it from there, is by going over to the GeForce Experience app if you're on NVIDIA. Now, from NVIDIA, you can also, if you're on AMD, you can use the AMD equivalent app, or you can just manually install it from Google, or whatever your browser of your choice. But anyways, from the GeForce Experience app, make your way over to drivers, and if you have any updates, go ahead and install them. You can go ahead and choose check for updates. So it will say download right here. You can go ahead and download your drivers from here. Now that is basically it. Once that is done, I highly recommend restarting your PC as well. Now that should be it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.